Energy harvesting chips are designed to capture and convert energy from various sources, such as solar, thermal, and kinetic energy, into usable electrical power. These chips are becoming increasingly popular in many applications, including wireless sensors, wearables, and IoT devices, where they can provide a sustainable and reliable power source. The development of energy harvesting technology has enabled the creation of self-powered devices that do not require frequent battery replacements or external power sources, making them more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. As the demand for energy-efficient solutions continues to grow, energy harvesting chips are expected to play a significant role in shaping the future of electronics. If you have a demand for purchasing IC chips, please contact us for consultation and quotation.